Hello students and families, this screencast is to help you navigate your single sign-on to access your reading textbook from home. So as you can see, I've entered the web address my.hcsb.k12.fl.us. This is the single sign-on website. It's also available and linked from the Hernando Schools district page. I recommend bookmarking it somewhere on your computer so you have access to it again. I'm logging in as my daughter so you can see it from the student view. So your username is typically first name dot last name. Students have been told if they have a unique login, sometimes there's like a 1 or a 2 here. Then their password is capital letter of their last name, so like hers is a capital D. And then if your lunch number starts with a 5, it's your whole lunch number. And if your lunch number starts with a 1, you have to put a 0 first before your lunch number. This is the same student password for everything Hernando related, so the kids should be really good at using that by now. And if not, it's something they'll want to get used to. So I'm going to click login. At the moment, it's not one of the icons that's showing up on the desktop because it's not one that she accesses regularly. So at the bottom here, I'm going to click on Applications to try to find the tile I want. While we're here, I'm going to go ahead and point out that Social Studies Weekly is here, as well as iReady. But this is what we're looking for, this Connect Ed McGraw-Hill Education tile. So I'm going to click there. Then I have two choices. We have our reading textbook and the science textbook. So I'm going to click on Reading, Grade 5 Wonders. And they've been using this in class. The kids should be familiar with accessing the games. We've been using those as a reading center to practice the grammar and spelling games that are available, but they can also play them at home. There's some other things you can explore here as well. But right now we're going to focus up here where it says Resources. So I'm going to click on the Resources button. And here you'll notice the textbooks. So this first one, the Literature Anthology, that's their hardcover textbook that they're not allowed to bring home with them. So if they ever need something from the hardcover textbook, they have access to it here. I'm going to zoom the screen out a little bit, hopefully. Nope, I want to show you. I'm trying to show you here at the bottom. The kids know about it because we've used it before. There we go. Oh, hold on. Thank you for your patience. Okay, so see here where the where it says cover, you can highlight that and change it to any page number you want, and then it goes directly to that page number. So I'm going to go back out to being full screen. This button up here takes you in and out of full screen mode. You also have the option here to make it the size of the screen itself, to fit the height or to fit the width. You also can change down where I had shown you that you can type the number in. There also is a rectangle or two rectangles depending on which view you're in. So like I'm going to click on the single rectangle. That allows me to view just one page at a time, or I can toggle back to the 2-page view, whichever I prefer. Also available is the sound. So if they click on this, you're not going to hear it right now because of the kind of screen recorder I'm using, but if they click this button, then it will actually read it to them. So it's going to highlight the words as it goes and read to them. So this is a great option, say, if they're getting ready for a test or they want to review, or even if they were out and missed some of the reading that we did, this is a great resource for them. So that is the textbook itself. And next I want to show you, I'm going to tab back to the resources. Here we have the reading writing companion units. In class I call these the Wonders Workbook. So these are soft-sided books that stay at school. The Wonders Workbooks are divided into units. So this is unit 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this one right here is their current unit. So if they needed to access anything, let's try again. It thinks my session has expired. Okay, so once again, underneath I know you can't see it, I'm sorry. I'm typing in the number 102, which should be really fresh in the kids' mind because this was the writing prompt they were responding to. So here are the pages accessible from home. So if they did forget to bring something home, they do still have access to their workbook, even though they may not have the work that they have done necessarily. Okay, so just to quickly review, you go to the single sign-on, so my.hcsb.k12.fl.us. You navigate to Connect Ed. It's the red McGraw-Hill button. From there, you choose Wonders and then Resources above the astronaut, and you have access to the hardcover textbook and the Wonders workbook. And you're welcome to explore. There's all kinds of great things on the site, so you're welcome to play around and explore as well. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.